For our rare, we have a holo Dragonite for our rare, Lemons. How's it going, Lemons? Now, you guys are currently watching the video that I am in the works of editing right now, and I want to let you know that this is not going to be a Pokemon video. This is going to be like a montage of all the adventures that I went on this year, and here are some code cards. There are 2 Darkness Ablaze, 2 Cosmic Eclipse, 2 Vivid Voltage, and 2 Champions Path. Figured I'd give you guys some code cards for those who like code cards, because this is not a Pokemon video. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna put a lot of time into this to make this really good. Try to buy like a beat or 2 off someone. And I'm gonna have it a nice, like, chill, mellow, just in like the background of all the adventures that I went on this spring and summer. I know I haven't really been on any adventures this fall and winter, but 2021 is a new year, Lemons, and it is going to be a blast. And I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, squeeze the thumbs up button. Let's try to get to 20 likes. 20 likes on this video. Squeeze it up. Squeeze it up. And I hope you all have a great rest of your day and night. Peace out and enjoy. Holy crap.
Fuck the beat up.
Yeah, this one's open. I know a lot of bunkers aren't open at all, but there's like over 100 plus abandoned bunkers that they use for World War II. Oh, that looks cool.
Citadel, fuck the beat up.
Alright, I did all that for nothing. There's a ladder over there, I'm pretty sure. Oh, that's awesome. Good chimney. Is that insulation? This is the second hotel motel I've ever been in.
This is freaking sus.
You go first, Andy. Should we go back to the car now, boys? Alright, we're like a 12 to 15 minute drive from the car. Is that 19? Or is that 10? No, that's 10.